Hey guys, how are you? I'm sorry, today I forgot to make a video for the intro, but I just want to tell you that I just came fishing with my brother today, Sunday. We got some fish that I would like to show you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Look, 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 look. Nice. Bass. Nice. With the Yamamoto, the one that worked last time. Nice. Look. Nice fish. What? 1/16. Yamamoto 3 inches. Oh wow, look at this bass. It has one eye that is white and the other one is regular. Interesting. It's 13 inches. As always, when my brother is with me, the non-live bait works. As always, perfect. Let's see, last look of the fish. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Wow. What? You really?
Yeah, black crappie.
Nice.
It's just that I was moving, so by the time that I didn't want the fish to fall,
Uh-huh.
so then the water brought me here.
Yeah, I was wondering, where are you? I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Feels pretty rough, but I think it's the weight. Oh no! I got a little catfish. Nice.
With what?
With minnow. Nice. Oh, sorry, I didn't show it. Nice. Yes. All right, well, let's release this boy. Well, I got 2 species so far. Well, we got 3 though.
Yeah, I got the
I don't know why I talk it like myself. We got 3. That's nice.
Yep. Good black crappie.
For an hour.
Good. When I was... Yay.
Nice. Yellow perch. Let me see. Nice. With what?
With 1/64. 1/64.
Jighead.
With jig
Nice,
head
yellow
with
perch.
a trout magnet.
He's not even. He's so clear.
I know.
Nice.
Were there even reports in here that there was a yellow perch here?
I don't know. Maybe it's the first one. Nice. Some fish after long waiting here.
Yeah. Look at. Put the camera. Okay. Look at. Put the camera. Okay.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the first bass that came on. Also the carps that I saw, but I didn't fish anyone, but I think just see them was very cool. And then also the bullhead catfish that came, was a black one. And then my brother also got a really nice black crappie, and I hope you guys enjoy the pictures too. We saw some bluegills, but they were not biting. And then finally my brother tried fishing on another small creek around the area that we were fishing at, and we got a really nice yellow perch. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.